Why is nobody talking about how the Black Panther mask is from the Igbo people? In the movie Black Panther, Eric Kimonga wore a very distinctive mask that had been taken from the British Museum. Additionally, Kimonga uttered the most famous words of the movie when he said,
"Just bury me in the ocean with my ancestors that jumped from the ships, because they knew death was better than bondage."
There is a deep connection between these words and the mask Kimonga wore. The mask of Kimonga is from the Igbo people who are from southern Nigeria. The mask of the Igbo people are known as the Mbedike mask and are used for ceremonial purposes only. In May 1803, a significant event took place known as the Igbo Landing. After crossing the Middle Passage, a slave ship arrived in Georgia with a cargo of slaves. 75 of those people were Igbos, and they were sold for roughly $100 each. They were then transferred to another ship to be moved to their destination. Once upon the new ship, the Igbo people rebelled. During the rebellion, the Igbo people killed their captors and took control of the ship. With no way of returning home and facing the likelihood of being recaptured into slavery, the Igbo people agreed to commit. They all walked into the ocean singing a song and all drowned. This is what Kimonga was referring when he said, "Just bury me in the ocean with my ancestors who jumped from the ships because they knew that death was better than bondage." Tell me in the comments if you actually agree with me that this mask is actually an Igbo mask. Outside storytelling, we supply granite chippings used for construction. Do well to contact the number displayed on the screen to place your order.